I want to confirm whether this LEKKI-EPE Expressway, whether it has been abandoned. There have been several questions on my comment section asking, Dennis, I want to do a video to confirm if the road that is being constructed, the LEKKI-EPE Expressway, this road, currently I'm in Ajah, from all the way from Ajah to Lekki. I want to confirm if this LEKKI-EPE Expressway, if it's still under construction. I'll be doing it in 3 phases. I'll first move from Ajah down to Sangotedo. Then from Sangotedo, I will do the second phase from Sangotedo to Awoyaya. Then the third phase will be from Awoyaya, Bogije to Lekki. I want you to stay to the end of this video. If you like this kind of video, you want to see if this road that has been constructed is still ongoing or it has been abandoned. So stay to the end of this video. Let me show you the updates. Currently, I'm in Ajah, so I will start all the way from Ajah. Make sure that you watch the part 1 of this video, the part 2 of this video, and the part 3 of this video. So let's go there. This LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction is actually in 2 phases. The first phase is from Lekki down to the T junction in Epe. This has been completed and it has been inaugurated. It is a 18.75 kilometer span road, and it starts from Lekki down to Epe T junction. This particular phase, which I'm showing you, is the second phase, which is a 26.7 kilometer spanning from Adesonya, where we have the 4th mainland bridge, down to Lekki junction, which is still ongoing. Just like I said, this particular video will be in 3 phases. The first one will be from Ajah down to Sangotedo. Then the second phase will be from Sangotedo down to Awoyaya. Then the third phase of this particular video, the part 3, will be from Awoyaya down to Lekki. So stay to the end of this video as I take you and show you the current development that is going on in this LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction. This is an update video which I want you to make sure you stay to the end of this video. This particular road is very important. It's a very crucial road that play a major role because it leads to the old Lekki. So it's a major road that leads all the way to Epe. Before the idea of the 4th mainland bridge came into the scene, this road happened to be the only road that served this axis, a major road that served this axis. And because of how tiny it was, that is why it has been decided that it will be expanded, and which work is going on. Anytime I come to this axis, work is always going on. So if you are looking at getting property in this axis and you have been afraid that there's no road, I can comfortably tell you that this particular road construction, the LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction, is a good one that will open up this area. This particular Lekki axis is already open up, and with this road it will make it more open. So it is necessary that you start getting property in this axis. So in this particular LEKKI-EPE Expressway, we have several properties. We have houses, we have the ambience height, which is what we are doing there. We are doing houses. Along the Abraham Adesanya axis, we have houses, also the Lekki Pride Phase 1, the Lekki Pride Phase 2, Phase 3. We also have land available. So if you're looking at getting a land, you can do that. We also have another estate, which it is mind-blowing, Genesis Estate, which is also mind-blowing along this Abraham Adesanya axis. So I would strongly recommend that while this road construction is going on, I would strongly recommend that you start acquiring properties, land, houses in these houses. The Abraham Adesanya houses, that is where we have the 4th mainland bridge. I've done intensive video about the 4th mainland bridge. I would strongly recommend check my channel. You will see the 4th mainland bridge video I did. Stay to the end of this video as I show you more things that is happening. So if you're also looking at getting a property around the Sangotedo axis, I would strongly recommend that you do that. We have different land and also houses in Sangotedo along the Monastery Road. We have several of them. So feel free to contact the number on the screen. Let me assist you. My name is Dennis. So what I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora. I help Nigerians in Nigeria. I help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. So this is an update video to show you the LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction update.
My observation, currently I'm standing in Sangotedo. The ShopRite is just close by, and this is the turning in Sangotedo. From what I've observed, all the way from Ajah, there have been little filling on the LEKKI-EPE Expressway. Then the main job, from what I've seen, is currently taking place in Sangotedo, which means that this LEKKI-EPE Expressway, the construction has not been stopped, and it's currently ongoing. So if you look behind me, just look behind me, check behind me, you will notice that there are machines out there scraping that place and also sand filling that place. So which means that the job is actually going on the site. So if you are looking at getting the property in Ajah in Sangotedo and you have been afraid of the road, thinking that the road is not good, I'm telling you that this LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction is still ongoing. This is an update video to show you, and this is the part 1. After this particular set, I will move from this set from Sangotedo down to Ajah to confirm if this if the progress is also tarrying. And also, while we are coming, you will notice that in Abraham, that is where we would have the 4th mainland bridge. So, and the 4th mainland bridge, from the last video I did, you notice that the 4th mainland bridge is ongoing. The Lagos State have secured more investors who are coming in to invest on this project. So this is the best time for you to get property in this LEKKI-EPE Expressway. So this is an update video to show you what is going on in this LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction update. So I take you to the next set, which is the part 2 of this video. So don't leave this channel. I will upload this part 2 very soon. If you are watching this video after some couple of months, make sure that you watch the part 2 and the part 3 of this video. So stay till the end of this video. My name is Dennis Esong. What I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. So if you're looking at buying property in this LEKKI-EPE Expressway, so that is, I'm doing this video for you to show you the LEKKI-EPE Expressway construction that is taking place. So thank you so much, I appreciate you. Make sure you watch the part 2 of this video and the part 3 of this video. Share.